Let's talk about assignments. We create assignments using assignments link when we enter our course. I already have lots of assignments created, so they are showing up for me here. You can also grab a template for an assignment. If you go to course modules and the templates for your course module, in this module, you can find sample templates. Let's say you would like to use sample assignment template 2. This could give a uniform look to your assignments. You would provide an overview about the objectives of the assignment, directions, resources, and academic integrity information. If you would like to use a template, first you need to copy it in your module. This is the template I want to use. I go to the 3 dots and click duplicate. Now I have a copy. I can change the copy and still have a template unchanged for the future. To edit a copy, I click edit. I should put the name of the assignment right here, midterm exam. Then I'll click and fill out the overview, provide information about the details of the assignment, goals of the assignment. If you would like to eliminate any section of the template, you simply erase. Next, you want to decide how many points this assignment is worth and connect this assignment to specific assignment group. In this course, I have non-graded assignments. I have student presentations, quizzes, final exam, class discussions. The groups provide weight for particular assignment group if you're using weighted system. Canvas does the calculations for you. You decide how much certain group is worth, and as you are making an assignment, you're going to connect this assignment with a particular group. If you don't have the categories created, you can do it as you are working on the assignment creation. So I'm going to create a group and call it midterm essay. I just added a group, but I have not specified how much this group is worth. I didn't specify the weight. So I'm going to continue and do it later. I decide how to display the grade. My options are percentage, complete, incomplete, points, letter grade, not graded, submission type. No submission is usually for intangible type of work. Online submission will be submission into Canvas. On paper, if students are taking an exam in class, or we can use an external tool such as Perusal or Kaltura. So let's put it as online. Now we have options of submission for online submission. Text entry will open text editor for a student. I don't recommend this option because it's not going to show up for you in the speed grader. You can allow media recordings and students will be able to record right from the assignment tool in Canvas, either voice recording or a video. We have a student annotation type of assignment where you can provide a file, a picture, or a text that you would like students to annotate, or file uploads. You can also restrict file uploads to the specific file types. Allowed attempts should be more than one in case students submit a wrong file. For plagiarism review, we have Turnitin. It can be a group assignment, meaning students will work with other students as a group, or you can require peer reviews for this assignment. You can choose anonymous grading if you do not want to see student names in the speed grader as you are grading. You will see students' grade in the grade book. The purpose would be to ensure that you grade each student fairly without knowing who submitted. You usually assign to everyone. There are special cases. If an assignment is just for a particular student, then you would add students and they will be on your list. You specify due date. By default is 11:59 p.m. You might want to change the time by changing it here and clicking done. Availability date, when the student first are able to access the assignment, and the end date until the students are able to submit. So the due date and end date are different. Students are able to submit the assignment past due date unless you specify it in here. When you're done making these choices, we save and publish. When we are making this assignment from the template, I added graded category and I did not specify the weight. So in order to do this, I need to go back to my assignments. Here is my midterm essay that I just created, and it is a 0% of a total grade. To change it, I'll click on three little dots here, edit, and give the weight to this category and save. If you would like to create an assignment from scratch, you will start either in assignments or you can start in modules if you already have them set up. Let's start with assignments. You can create the assignment group, and these are the categories that are going to add up to 100 if you have a weighted system. If you have a point system, you will not create assignment groups. You will simply create add assignment. You will see the rich text editor where you will put the assignment name. Here you can type the assignment or you can copy and paste from a document. Now, when you have a text and you would like to link the text in the assignment to a file, you can go to the chain symbol and link to an external link. That could be a document in your Google Drive. You can also insert an image, upload an image from your computer. If it's already in your course, it's going to be a course image. You can record media, upload from your computer, or click record, which will open up the Canvas recorder. You can embed videos from Kaltura Media, from YouTube, Films on Demand. So let's embed Kaltura media file. And here it is. And when you're ready, you click Save and Publish. When you want to see how the assignment looks for the students, you click on the student view. And you can see that the students see a link to a file. And all the information that you put in the assignment. When you want to grade students' submissions, you will see to-do list if students submitted any work for you to grade. I'm going to go to assignments and grade this final exam submission. When my color is faded, I know what students submitted. Here I don't have any submissions, but these assignments have student submissions. So I can either click on the assignment itself or on 3 little dots next to it. I see my assignment. I click on the speed grader tool and I'm able to highlight and make a comment, use this marking tool to make a comment or crossed out. I also can write a written comment or record my feedback. I have a rubric, very simple rubric with a descriptive criteria that I can use as well for grading in this assignment. If I'm using Canvas Teacher app on an iPad, I'm able to write with an Apple Pencil on top of a student submission, which I found very handy.